How to change language on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, get your Samsung TV remote control, then press the home button to bring up this menu. Then you want to scroll all the way along to the left hand side until you get to settings, then press the middle OK button. Then in the settings menu you can change language for different things in different ways. So the first one I'll show you is in the general section. Then you want to scroll down to System Manager, and then for some of you, you'll be able to change language on the second one there. Some of you may have this, some of you may not. That function's unavailable for mine, but it might be for you. You can change language to whatever you want in there. Then there's some different versions of language like the voice, etc. So we can go to voice within the general one there, and then change the voice language. That's possible on some devices as well. Also, we can go in the accessibility and then go to the voice guide. You can click OK on that and you can change the language potentially for some of them as well. And also, if you go back out of here, then you'll be able to go to subtitle settings. There you can go ahead and change the primary and secondary language there. You can do the subtitle language preferred. You could change all the different settings within that there to whatever you want to. You can actually have two different languages at once appearing on the screen. That's quite good if you're trying to learn languages. So there's a few different options within there, and all within this general section. Depending on what you want to change, this is going to be the same menu outlook. So go ahead and find the one you want, change your language to show, and that's how it's done. Leave a like a video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.